I hope you are doing well. So in this video, I will show you how you can use this extension and how you can export product and import to your store. So after installing the extension, you will find it here. So you have to pin it, and then you have to browse a Shopify store. It could be any Shopify store. Then you have to click on the extension, and it will load all the product that store has. So in this case, you can see this store has total 994 products. So you can export all the products by just clicking here, and it will download the CSV file of the products. Later I will show you how you can import this file to your Shopify store. And then the next option is the export by collection. So you can select any of the collections and download only that collections product. So in this case, here you can see accessories has only 111 products, so you can just select that and export that selected collections. And then here you can see the best selling products, so you can also export all the best selling products by just clicking here. Here you can see the product has been exported. And if you want to export any individual product, then you can also do that. Just hover that product and click it will be exported. And in the bottom here you can see the search option, so you can search any product of this store. Like I'm searching for laptop related products, so laptop, so this is the laptop bag, so I'm searching for laptop bag, so I can just click and export that one. So now I will show you how you can import this product to your store. So for that you have to log in to your Shopify store. So I have logged in a Shopify store, and then you have to click on products, and then here you can see the import option. So then click on add file, and then you have to select the CSV file you have just downloaded from that extension. So in this case, I will just import one product, the last product which I had downloaded, the laptop bag. So select that, or you can select all the best seller or all the products of that store. So I'm just importing just one and upload and preview. Here you can see it's showing a preview option, which product it's gonna add. So you can select import products. So product importing will be started. After a few minutes, it will be finished, and here you can see the laptop bag has been added. So if I preview this, here you can see the laptop bag has been added, and both two images has been downloaded, and everything will be the same. So that's the process. Hope you will enjoy this video, enjoy this extension as well. Thank you.